Hello friends. Welcome to the episode of Synonyms Master. If you want to sound smart and fluent in English, stop using the same words again and again, like very good, very bad, very happy. Today, I'll teach you 20 powerful synonyms you can use instead of very. I'll explain with simple examples so you can use them in your daily conversations. Let's start. 1. Instead of very good. Excellent. The food at that restaurant was excellent. Fantastic. You did a fantastic job on this project. 2. Instead of very bad. Awful. The weather was awful yesterday. Terrible. He felt terrible after making that mistake. 3. Instead of very happy. Thrilled. I was thrilled to meet my favorite actor. Delighted. She was delighted with her exam results. 4. Instead of very sad. Miserable. He felt miserable after losing his wallet. Heartbroken. She was heartbroken when her pet died. 5. Instead of very fast. Rapid. Technology is growing at a rapid speed. Swift. The police took swift action to catch the thief. 6. Instead of very beautiful. Gorgeous. The bride looked gorgeous in her wedding dress. Stunning. The sunset view was absolutely stunning. 7. Instead of very big. Huge. They live in a huge house near the beach. Massive. A massive crowd gathered at the stadium. 8. Instead of very small. Tiny. She adopted a tiny kitten yesterday. Petite. She wore a beautiful dress that matched her petite figure. 9. Instead of very smart. Brilliant. Your idea is absolutely brilliant. Genius. Einstein was a genius in science. 10. Instead of very tired. Exhausted. I felt exhausted after running 10 kilometers. Worn out. She looked completely worn out after working all day. So friends, these were 20 powerful synonyms you can use in daily conversations. If you keep practicing, your English will sound more natural and fluent. Tell me in the comments which word you will use first. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the next episode of Synonyms Master. See you soon.